CTV's Michelle Boyer is following the story for us. Michelle, good morning. Tell us about the Prime Minister's Day in Latvia.
Hey, Marcia. Good morning. Well, Justin Trudeau announced that Canada will be continuing to participate in this NATO mission, part of the battle group, until 2023. It was set to expire next year. Canada also going to be increasing the number of troops on the ground. Right now, there are 455. That is going to be increasing to 540. Now, Canada is part of this battle group. It was established first after Russia illegally annexed Crimea. And today, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, in his news conference with his Latvian counterpart, took direct aim at Russia. Take a look.
It continues to be a country that is looking to disrupt and destabilize the global rules-based order and basically cause problems on the international stage.
And Justin Trudeau is continuing his trip, Marcia. He's actually taking off for Brussels tonight, and he's heading for the NATO summit. That happens tomorrow.
Okay, so how might this go over with President Donald Trump?
Well, Donald Trump has criticized Canada and other NATO members for not contributing enough to the 29-member alliance. Take a look. Donald Trump taking to Twitter even this morning, once again, about NATO setting the tone for what's to come probably in the next couple days. He says the U.S. is spending many times more than any other country in order to protect them. Not fair to the U.S. taxpayer. On top of that, we lose $151 billion on trade with the European Union, charge us big tariffs and barriers. He also says NATO countries must pay more. The United States must pay less. Very unfair, exclamation mark. Now, if we look at the target for defense spending, it's actually 2% of any country's GDP. Canada, the United States ranks in first at 3.5%. Greece comes in second at 2.3%. Go down to Canada, we're in 15th place at 1.3%. It is up, however, from 2014. It was about 1% then. But is all of this going to be enough to satisfy Donald Trump? Marcia, we're going to have to wait and see.
Okay. Michelle, thanks for that.